Thank you for that brief introduction, Emily. Like she said, my name is Alexis Brantley, and in this slide, I will be talking about emotional intelligence and the impact it has on leadership effectiveness. I would like to start off simply with the meaning of emotional intelligence. I'll call it EI for short. EI involves both interpersonal and intrapersonal understanding. This means one must be able to understand others and also understand one's own character. Some characteristics of EI include being purposeful, decisive, businesslike, democratic, respectful, trusting, and even gentle in certain situations. With this comes the ability to behave wisely in respect to others in a variety of situations. When effectively using EI, one should be able to balance a people-oriented command style and the willingness to make those difficult decisions. Moving on, I'd like to talk about the promotion of employee well-being. Employee well-being not only involves a relationship with the leader, but also a relationship with their coworkers. A leader must provide a safe and trusting environment for employees to feel confident when expressing their emotions. When employees feel safe, they can be motivated to work more effectively and more efficiently. This communication promotes a mutual trust. Through this connection, employees can feel comfortable to confront their leader about social challenges in the workplace environment. The leader can then use empathy, which means attempting to put themselves in the other person's shoes, so to speak, and then provide solutions to any problems they may be facing. In many cases, a leader will have a certain level of expertise that an employee may find useful. In doing this, a leader must keep a level head and be able to regulate their emotions. This means controlling emotions like anger and envy. Thank you for listening to my part on emotional intelligence. Next, I would like to move to power, politics, and organizational growth.